Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and today I thought I'll mix it up and share a decoupage tutorial with you all. So this holder is something that I made for a live couple of years back for a Father's Day project. And today I thought, I'll just upcycle the same, change the design and make it a makeup holder. So what I do normally whenever I'm reusing a MDF base like this particular one, and I could have skipped it, but I wanted to show you just so that in case you want to upcycle an existing project, you could definitely do that. So I first go back to my project and thoroughly sand it well with a high grit sandpaper. And then once I'm happy with the sanding, I apply 2 coats of either white gesso or white chalk paint, whatever you have handy with you works. Normally I show gesso in a lot of my projects, and that is why today I showed that it even works beautifully with white chalk paint as well. Once it's all dried and done, I will start making the next project. So for that, this particular one I wanted to upcycle from a Father's Day project to a makeup holder. So for that I'm using this makeup themed transfers. So the code for this, as I had shown you a couple of seconds back in the video, but don't worry, as always, whatever products I show or talk about will always be linked below in the description of the video, as well as in the blog post, again linked below in the description. Since I'm using a lot of pink and brown transfers, what I decided was that I wanted my background also to have similar shades of colors. So I have selected liquid acrylics, which when dried will be permanent. And that is why I'm using liquid acrylics and not watercolors. And then I'm kind of spreading the colors using some water with a brush. Now liquid acrylics are transparent in nature, so what it will not be opaque once it dries, and it will mimic that watercolor look which I wanted for my background. I just like more of a watercolor look than of an acrylic look. That's why normally even in a lot of my decoupage projects you will see me using liquid acrylics rather than chalk paints to create like an opaque base layer. So I'm doing the same thing with the brown liquid acrylics. So 2 sides are pink and 2 sides are brown. That's the idea that I'm going for this makeup holder. Again, you could, put as much color as you want or as little color as you want. What I wanted was a light wash of colors just so that it adds kind of point of interest. And once they are dry, we'll start using transfer. So in case you're new on my channel and don't know how to use transfers, I have first of all fussy cut them around the design. Then how they work is you remove the backing and stick them design side on the top of the project. So it could be an MDF project, paper, glass, etc. So stick them face down. Once you stick them face down, make sure you burnish them so that they are properly stuck. And then you add water with a brush like how I just showed you. And as soon as you add water, you'll see that it has become translucent. And once it becomes translucent, you can simply slide off the paper after a couple of seconds. Don't worry, I'll show you this a couple of times just so that in case you're a beginner, you can see how easy they are to use. The trick is to make sure that you follow the exact same steps. So remove the backing, stick them face down, make sure you burnish them properly onto the project, add a little bit of water with a brush. As soon as it becomes translucent, wait for a couple of seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and then simply slide off. And the design is transferred on the project. It is as simple as that. Now I will dry this up so that I can do the same process on all the 4 sides. I'm not going to repeat the same thing because it's exact same process but with different designs. However, the last transfer I will again show you the same steps step by step, so that in case you are extremely new to this will give you some confidence. However, if you are new to transfers, don't directly start working on a project. As with any new product that you are trying, be it decoupage napkins, decoupage papers, etc., first try it on a sample piece, see how you get a hang of things, and then move on to actual project. As always, guys, don't forget, in case you have any queries, please comment down below and I'll be happy to help you out. And as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to my channel for more such artsy and crafty content. I will be back soon with another tutorial. I'm targeting to at least put out one tutorial every week. So I hope you enjoy the same. I'll see you soon. And till then, I leave you with some close-ups of this beautiful makeup box that we have made. Now, one more thing that I want to add is, and this question I get a lot, is after using transfers, you do need to seal your project. I normally don't show that because in most of my project, many a times I just keep that project in my office and I upcycle them again to make a new project. However, if you know you are going to use them or you are going to gift them to somebody, or even if you are going to sell them, you need to add a coat of varnish like how I showed you, and you need to add 2 coats of varnish to make sure everything is well preserved. Okay, and as always, make sure that both your coats are dried before you apply the second coat. I'll see you soon in next tutorial. Till then guys, take care. Bye bye.